Hi buddies! Today we are shooting our first video and we are talking a little bit about ourselves and our channel LiliRay Epic. Welcome to LiliRay Epic channel and thank you by stopping our channel Lili and Ray. My name is Lili. I'm an IT engineer and lifestyle YouTuber, and Ray, he is a textile engineer and a business fashion consultant. So here's the question: how our different types of careers and goals could get together as a brand and YouTube channel? The thing is, our differences make us stronger to build our goals. As Steve Jobs, creativity is connecting the things. So we are thinking to share our initiative journey with you guys with different ways. LiliRay Epic channel has different and several goals, but our main goals is helping everybody who has their own magic, their own dream life, and encourage them to do what they love and reach their goals by respecting the environment and world. In LiliRay Epic channel, we post weekly videos. Those videos is about our favorites, our hobbies, and we will share with you our initiative journey. And we are posting so many videos about lifestyle hacks and tricks and personal economizing and organizing. And the main important one, we are sharing you our exploring, our adventuring all around the world. We will be happy if you join our journey by subscribing our channel.